What is up, YouTube? Hope you're having the nicest of days today, wherever you may be in this world. So in today's video, I have my March 2021 earnings report from Amazon's KDP, which I'm going to be sharing with you guys today. Now, what you'll notice in this video as well is that it's a little bit quieter than normal because I have someone in another room who's taking an exam, so I don't want to ruin it for them. So it's going to be a little bit quieter than normal. Just want to apologize if that causes any inconveniences, but without further ado, let's jump into the computer screen. People, here it is, my March 2021 KDP earnings. Of course, I do these videos for insightful and inspirational purposes only, so if you do get any value from them or you just enjoy these videos, be sure to smash that like button for me. I'd really appreciate it. And of course, if you're new to my channel and not yet subscribed, then my name is Ben, and I like to bring out videos like this on self-publishing. So if this is going to be interesting to you, be sure to hit that subscribe button for me. And of course, if you're new to KDP, very finally, then be sure to check out my video. This is a free 2-hour tutorial that's right here on my YouTube, and it should be linked in the top right hand side of this video if you're on your desktop. This is going to help you publish your first few books on KDP, so I'd really recommend watching this if you're wanting to start with low content publishing. So without further ado, guys, let's have a look at my royalties. So for the month of March 2021, we did $10,044.80. Now, this is KDP reports. This is Amazon's own version of the book sales reports. But if we go onto book reports, which is going to give us some more insightful information, it's going to show you this figure, 6,700. And the difference is just down to the 4x rates between the different currencies of Amazon's marketplaces. So that's why there is a slight difference there. But as you can see, the graphs are very, very similar from the last one. You can see my best day here was $347. So that's a really good day. Worst day would have been, $130 here. But all in all, it's very, very consistent. Nothing really blew up for me in terms of seasonality. All my books are fairly evergreen, so I do get fairly consistent sales across the board. Now, one thing I do want to draw your attention to is this earnings by marketplace. So something that I've noticed that's come along recently is that the Germany marketplace has skyrocketed for me. As you'll see from my ad spend there as well, it's absolutely insane. So as of 2021, March 2021, it is my third best marketplace. This used to be Canada that held the title, but now Germany is better for me than Canada, which is insane because all my books are written in English, not German. So this is the earnings by marketplace. As you can see, UK and the USA take the lead as always, but yeah, Germany is doing about half of the English speaking marketplaces of the US and the UK, so absolutely insane. So let's have a look at my business month in summary. So again, like February, I've been focusing 90% of my time towards this one broad niche. It's absolutely killing it for me right now. I'm just publishing lots of good selling books in there, a lot of experimental books that are not yet published on Amazon. So we're doing a little bit of both in that sense. But yeah, most of my focus is going in that area. Of course, coloring books, as you guys know, are just absolutely crushing as well. So that's probably one of my major focuses in terms of what I publish. Outside of publishing as well, but also pertinent to my brand, is the website and the email list, which I have both completed in March. So this is a good way of driving external traffic to your books on Amazon. So of course, if people want to get to know a bit more about the author or the publisher behind the books that they are buying, they can now do so. So if we have a look at my website stats quickly, just as it is relevant to my publishing, you can see here that this is my first month. We had 130 sessions. I have a feeling quite a few of them are robots because this percentage is quite high, which is the bounce rate, which basically says how many people literally went on your website, didn't click anything else, and then went back off your website. So that's unfortunately quite high there, but nonetheless, like, that's still quite a good month. I do leave my website inside of my books and stuff like that, so I do have a feeling that there are some genuine people actually checking out my website from Amazon as well, so that's really good. So we're going to just talk about ads now. So my ad spend is all below. We're just going to plug it into an Excel as well and see how much I earned throughout the month of March 2021, my revenue and then my net profit. So ads in the United States, you can see my ACOS there, 19%. That's a little bit higher than last month, and a little bit higher than my average of 17% in the US, but that's still actually fairly good. I'm happy with under 20% in the US in general. So we spent 652 there. In the Canada as well, 15.2% ACOS. So this has been going up a little bit there, but still, again, that's not a bad ACOS. A little bit more infrequent in Canada. You can see there were some really good days for ACOS and some really bad days for ACOS, nearly 100%. So on average, still very, very good. I'm happy with Canada. And then let's have a look at United Kingdom. So again, United Kingdom, always happy with that. I'd like for it to be under 15%, but I know the competition in the UK is ever increasing as people find out more about this marketplace and its potential. So I'm prepared to pay a little bit extra for my bids, and therefore the ACOS goes up a little bit in that sense, but still very profitable ACOS for me. Bearing in mind, guys, that these are all profitable. Anything under 25% ACOS is profitable for me on average. So I can't really complain, but yeah, and this is of course Germany's, which is absolutely insane. This comes out of nowhere because Germany for me has been like a good marketplace, but never like a marketplace like this. And all of a sudden my ACOS drops from around 20%, which is normally at, to 9.68% in Germany. So that is insane. And like I say, I don't publish any German books, so if anything, this tells me that Germany is a very untapped marketplace compared to the US and the UK and Canada. So if there's any value to be got from this video, be sure to advertise in Germany, I suppose. So yeah, we're just going to plug these ad values in now into our Excel. So we're just going to take each of these values and just plug them in here, and this is going to tell us how much net profit I've made when we take ad spend into account with our royalty. So of course our royalty was $7,044, and we're just going to get rid of these old values up here. So as you can see, after everything, we have spent $2,217.97 on advertising, which is absolutely fine because we made $7,044 in royalties from publishing. So I've already pre-filled out these sections as well, which is my other expenses. So my other expenses are things that are other costs associated with running my business that isn't advertising, and these generally tend to be costs associated with making the book. So Adobe here helps me with my illustrations and stuff like that, and that's costing me $38 a month, and that was discounted from, I think it was like $60 for the Creative Cloud. Canva is where I make the majority of my books because it's simplest to use and therefore the quickest for me, so that cost me $21 a month. Creative Fabrica is a good graphic resource for $12 a month. Helium 10 is what I do for niche research, keyword research and everything like that, and that comes to $99 a month. Book Reports is $19 a month, which is the extended sales report that you saw before. And freelancers, this has increased this month a little bit because I have been hiring, and we are sitting at around $800 spent for the freelancers, although this is going to increase throughout the next months. So of a total revenue of KDP of $7,044, my net profit after everything is $3,800, which is £2,800, 4,900 Canadian dollars, or 3,197 euros. So with these figures, I'm extremely happy. This is my take-home pay after all the business expenses are covered. What I can do whatever with, invest back into the in business, invest into the stock market, anything like that. So yeah, I'm super happy with these numbers. But yeah, thank you so much for watching these videos. Let me know how you did in your month of March 2021 in the comments below. But otherwise, guys, thanks for watching again. See you in the next video.